Happiness is achieved when you stop waiting for your life to begin and start making the most of the moment you are in. Join me today during my lunch break. Set your timer for 30 minutes and let's see how much we can get cleaned before this Mother's Day weekend. Let's see what we can get done in 30 minutes. It is my lunch break. I work from home full time and I get a 30-minute lunch break, so I like to take this time to get some cleaning done as quickly as I can to get through the never-ending tasks of homemaking. Today I am primarily going to focus on the upstairs, so bathroom and the bedrooms and laundry are what's on my second floor. I'm going to try to get all of these areas cleaned up today during my lunch break. So get your to-do list ready. Let's set our timers for 30 minutes and see what we can get done. Set timer for 30 minutes. Today I am starting in my master bathroom. I'm going to start by cleaning this bathtub. It is a huge bathtub and it's usually a lot of work to clean, but I have this nice fancy tool to use. It is a spin brush cleaner, and makes this task so much easier. If you are in the market for one, I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. It's on Amazon and the company did send me this product to test out. I have been greatly enjoying it, and it's definitely making especially the task of cleaning out this tub so much easier. My son is 2 years old. He takes his bath in here all the time and absolutely loves it. He is one lucky boy to have such a great bathtub to be able to play in. And as you saw, he has lots of toys. So I have to get all of this nice and clean so that he can enjoy his bath time tonight. Happy Mother's Day to all of you moms out there. We are heading into Mother's Day weekend, which is a very exciting weekend, and I'm sure is kind of sad for others. If you've lost your mom or didn't have the best relationship with your mom, I'm thinking of you. And if you are a mom, I hope you know you're doing the best possible job you can for your kids. Doing all of this cleaning that we have to do all the time definitely helps our kids to be able to have the best childhood possible, allowing them to have a nice, clean, taken care of home. I started this video off with a quote that I thought was so fitting, especially for Mother's Day weekend, to remember to enjoy the current moment that you're in. Our kids won't be little forever. They'll eventually grow up and be teenagers and then adults themselves. Childhood seems to go by so quickly, especially as a mom. I can't believe that my son is already 2 years old. I miss him being a little baby and definitely enjoyed all of those stages that he went through, and hope that I can do my best to stay in the moment with him to enjoy every second possible of his sweet little childhood. I scrubbed down the whole bathtub. Now I'm just using a dry microfiber cloth to dry it. One time I did not do this step and my son got in the bathtub and slipped a little bit, which he was scared, but he was totally fine. But make sure, especially with this bathtub, that I definitely have to dry it off and make sure I got all of the Dawn power wash up so that it is not slippery, but a safe place for him to come and play. Next, I'm moving over to the vanity. I need to scrub it down desperately. It is such a mess right now and needs a good cleaning. Then I'm going to clean both of the mirrors. I love cleaning my house like this, that I set a timer for 30 minutes or an hour. Sometimes I do that if I have the time allotted, and just get what I can done during that time. It makes me move a little quicker and shows me that a lot of this housework that sometimes I dread doing and want to put off really doesn't take all that long. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started and doing what needs to get done. So if you are feeling in that slump today, that you have a lot of things on your to-do list to get done, set yourself a timer for 30 minutes and just get started. I'm sure you're going to be so surprised at all the stuff that you get accomplished in such a short amount of time. Moving into my bedroom, I just have some clothes that I need to get hung up. And then I need to tidy up the bedroom a little bit and definitely need to do some vacuuming. Yes, I do like to wear colorful clothes. I know everyone is in this wearing neutrals all the time, but I haven't really hit that phase, I guess. I really enjoy wearing color. Do you enjoy wearing color? I'd love to know. Leave a comment down below. Absolutely love coming upstairs before I go to bed and seeing vacuum lines on my carpet. It definitely makes me feel all relaxed and that I achieved at least one thing today when I see the vacuum lines on my carpet. Moving into my son's room, I'm just quickly cleaning off his dresser and changing pad with a cleaning wipe, and then I'm going to go over and tidy up his crib. My son is 2, if you are new here and I didn't say that earlier. He is absolutely loving books. He's always loved books. And lately he's been wanting to have books in his crib with him. So I have 3 in here right now that if I do take them out, he immediately puts them back in. And I don't mind at all. It's been so cute to look in his little monitor and see him as he's winding down and getting ready to go to sleep. He'll read through the books before, and then he's been like snuggling one of the books like a stuffed animal, and he falls asleep like that. So every night I have to sneak in here and take the book out of his hands and put them more down his feet, so then when he's tossing and turning over the night, he's not rolling on top of the books. I think it has been so adorable and so sweet, and I tell him, don't stay up too late reading. I really do encourage him to read as often as he can, because the rest of his life, especially in school, he's going to have to enjoy books. Now I'm going to quickly fold this load of laundry of his before heading into the laundry room to change over my load for the day. This dresser is from IKEA. It has been so great to have. I love having the big 3 drawers, and the drawer organizers that are inside of them are also from IKEA. They've been so helpful, especially with his tiny little clothes, to keep everything nice and organized. I put his changing pad on top of this dresser to save us some space, as opposed to having like a traditional changing table. I found that having a dresser is just so much more convenient, and I can have everything all in one place. So while I'm changing him, I have the first drawer, like the top drawer, is all of like his diapers. There's wipes in there, there's creams in there. I have his socks, his wash rags are in there, that kind of thing. So I can easily grab all of that stuff out. And then the bottom 2 drawers are his clothes. So I can easily get him all changed and ready for the day, all in one spot. I don't have to move it all. So it makes it very convenient. If you are expecting or looking for a setup like this, I highly recommend doing a dresser and putting a changing pad on top of it. I start a load of laundry each morning before I start my work day. Then during my lunch, I will change the laundry over. So I already had a load in the dryer that I didn't get to finish yesterday, but now I'm putting this load that I started this morning into the dryer, and I also have to hang up all of the shirts that I'm taking out, and these jeans I hang up. We have like a drying rack in our bedroom. It's not the most convenient or best setup. Eventually I would like to get something that's here in the laundry room and not have that in our bedroom. But for now, it's what works, so that's what we do. And it makes my day of doing laundry so smooth. I don't have to really think about it. It's just something I do every single day. Put a load in the morning, switch it during my lunch, and then each day laundry is getting done and it's not something I have to stress out about. This is all the cleaning I was able to fit into this 30 minutes lunch break that I had today. I feel like I got so much accomplished and I did get my whole list done, which is great. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and taking the time to watch. I hope you got lots of cleaning motivation and you leave here feeling like you've been cleaning with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday.